and I would say happy Holi.
Yeah, happy Holi, but we are going to celebrate on 4th March. So did you?
Yes.
It's not today, I think, right?
Yeah, I'm wishing you in advance, you can say. In actual
Okay.
Holi will be
Yes.
tomorrow, yes.
Yeah, people are going to celebrate. Do you play Holi?
Yeah,
Okay,
of course,
super.
Holi I play, yeah.
Yes. So I think we need to diving into the conversation. But before diving into the conversation, can I get to know your introduction a little bit for audience?
Yes, why not? So this is Chandan here. I live in Bihar state. Professionally, I'm a teacher. If I talk about my hobbies, so I like to talk to new people, learning new skill. Nowadays, I'm working on my English. That's all.
Okay, super. Good to know that. I think I should introduce myself. So this is Sashmita Rao.
Yeah.
I'm from UP District Gajipur and I have done my bachelor's in science. Currently, I'm just working upon my communication skill and talking about my hobbies. So I love reading books, watching English movie and creating story. And regarding my goals, so I want to be a trainer and speaker, good speaker, and want to earn money through YouTube. This is my all introduction. Yeah, that's it. Okay.
Wow,
So,
that's
yeah.
wonderful.
Yes. Okay. Super. So, can we start our topic? Do you have any specific particular topic for it, or we can go with the flow? Otherwise, I will ask.
Okay. Yeah, you can ask. If you have any questions, you can ask.
Yes. Okay. So, my first question is to you. Do you think language shapes personality?
Yeah, of course. It shapes our personalities. It gives us new direction in life. It helps us in multiple areas where you can stand for yourself, where you can express your thoughts, where you
Yeah,
can
it
talk to
is.
people. So many things in multiple fields that language will help you out.
Yeah, great to know that. So, could you tell me that what sort of change you have seen so far after learning this language?
If I talk about my experience, so earlier I was very submissive, you can say,
Okay.
very submissive, very fragile by nature. I was not able to stand for myself even. I was not able to talk even single sentence with any person face to face. But after learning this language, I got confidence and I got to know how to express myself. So these are the few changes I have gotten.
I can see through this is the best transformation to zero to hero. Many people they are taking a long time, a long gap to be a speaker because they are putting their self out there, but they are not getting outcomes. So this is it becomes stiff. They are not getting right track. So it's becoming challenging part for them to learn any language, and it is not easy to learn any language. Not about English, many language here we can't even adapt easily, so we have to put ourselves out there.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah, okay. So my next question is confidence more important and more important than knowledge?
I would say knowledge is very important because
Yes.
if you do not have knowledge, then how do you express yourself?
Yes, many people
Anything,
they
right?
are confident but they don't have a knowledge. So you can get an example English. We are able to speak in English, but when it comes about knowledge and people, they are going to give you a topic and you are not prepared enough. So I think you are not going to longer. You are not going to express your thought. You are not going to articulate that particular topic for longer. You can speak only 1 and 2 minutes, but we need to prepare ourselves before going an interview
Yes.
and stage. So this is a scary moment for I think everyone. For
Mm.
everyone. Yeah. Okay, so my third question is why do some people give up learning English? They don't try to speak and they don't try to learn this language for a long time. They get stuck and they are not trying and it's become challenging and that's why they are giving up. So what is the reason behind of
Mm.
it?
Yeah, according to me, if I talk about my opinions, so they are very weak by nature. Mentally, I would say they are very fragile. They are very lanky, I would say. They are very brittle by nature. That's why they are not able to sustain self for a long time. That's why. If you're mentally very strong, empowering yourself every single day to stand around people and describing your opinions with the confidence, then you will be known as a very bold person, I would say, very bossy type,
Yeah, it
But they are
is
not
become like
mentally
that.
strong, very feeble by nature, by mentally. those people give up very soon.
Yes, I have seen many people, even know some of them when I used to talk on CV application, they were no longer speaking on CV. So I was just thinking if they had started their journey, so they would have been good speaker so far. But they were not ready. They were not like they didn't have a control. They just wanted to grab English in just a month, and it is not easy to get any language to get something and adapt some in just a month.
Mm.
Many people they are addressing they have learned English within a 5 and I think 2 3 months. But it's not easy if you are already crossed the beginner level, so you can consider yourself you can go B1 and B2 level. It doesn't take a long time, doesn't take a long gap, right? But talking about
Yes,
absolute beginners, so it is not easy. It takes years and a year. It is a not ending process. It's endless, right? Yes. Okay, so it's time to ask me four questions for you. Can communication skill,
yes.
okay, can communication skill change someone's life? What's your
Mm,
perspective?
yeah, my perspective, I would say, of course, communication skill will change your future as well.
Yes.
And everything, I would say, communication will give you the right way of expressing yourself, with the clarity about your opinions, and you can convince anyone, you can.
You can also go travel, like you can also go abroad, you know, to get your job and you
Yes,
can express and articulate if you're not able. So how they are going to, give you chance. So it is a very most important and you need to know that how can we, groom ourselves, how can we present ourselves in front of people, professionals. So this is
yes,
a great way to show
yes.
yourself. And they will consider
That's
you like
why.
you are intelligent, you're confident, right? You're not going to spoil their day, their meetings. So this is a kind of observation we need to observe, we need to learn every day. Otherwise, it's not a
Yes,
good. Yes. Yeah.
that's why communication is very, very prominent, I would say, very obligatory.
Yeah, that's why many villagers they have started their English journey as well. Even I noticed when I started my journey. So I started
Mm-hmm.
searching and researching on YouTube. So I saw that, it was a lot of villager they have started.
Mm-hmm.
So it is
Oh,
a big deal. They know very well how to speak English, how to articulate their thoughts, even they are doing really well. And describing something on the spot, it's not easy. It's a kind of you have already done your hard work, and that's why today you are here. You are you are doing great, and you are getting something better every day.
yes.
Yeah,
Of course, we should do hard work. We must be detrimental, industrial, I would say, right?
yeah,
Then only you can do. We must be a painstaking in our every field, right?
yeah.
Diligent.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I was thinking to ask you that these days I think you are making thumbnail and you are earning to make someone's and people's thumbnail and you are making money. So how did you learn and which platform? On YouTube or you were taking classes for thumbnail?
Actually, I think 2 and 3 years back, I was following, I was doing, computer course. So where
Okay.
I learned, I
Okay.
know how to edit, how to do other part of things. So I have done course and I know how to do this.
Okay. So I have a other question that what do you want to become your life? Like what is your goal and ambitions after learning this language?
My ambitions, I want to be a good teacher.
Okay. In English or something else?
Yeah, in English, in every field, I would say.
Okay, so
Yeah.
do you also give tuition classes for your village children or
No,
taking
not
one to
yet.
one?
Not nowadays. Earlier I was giving, but nowadays I'm not giving because of my busy schedule, I would say. Yeah,
So what about online? Do you?
yeah, online also. I have stopped nowadays.
Okay, so okay, I think that is the best way. After learning this language, you can also teach, you can make money because why you are learning this language because you want to do something and many people they do because they want to achieve their goal, they want to make true it. So yeah, this is the
Hmm.
best way to use your skill,
What
in that.
about you? I have noticed you speak very nice, very
Yeah, so
confident you are.
yes, so thank you so much. Yeah, it's been a while. I think it's been a 1 year that time when I started, and I'm just planning to, give them online teach. I wanted to teach, but right now I just want to polish my English. So I'm just taking a time. So then I think after 2, 3 months later, I will start. I will do it. Even I don't know how to start, but I will try because see the turning point. People they don't know, but they if they start, trying, then they can do that. So
Hmm.
I just want to polish and brush up my English. Then I will start doing it because I have a friend. They are also YouTuber. I think Pooja Singh, if you are aware. So
Mm-hmm.
we are planning this day by the end of the year we will start. Definitely we are going to do that. But we need to improve a lot because somewhere I'm not even perfect. I think everyone not perfect, but we need to improve at the core.
Yes.
So it is our kind of goal in this year. Even okay, so do you also do shadowing practice? Many people they believe and they are doing. I think it's a perfect. So what about you
No,
too?
I don't need now, no. It's for beginner, no. When the
Yeah.
beginner started learning, so that time it's so needed. But for me, I think I have crossed this level, right?
Yes, so
But
yeah,
beginner should
it
be do.
depends on your busy schedule, and I think, up to a
Hmm.
point, many people they think I do not need. Even I feel like, okay, I do not need right now. But I think so
Yes.
that, if you notice, many advanced learner they are using and they are doing shadowing practice. They are watching Priya
Mm-hmm.
Chopra's speech and they are trying to do. But in my case, I never tried. I think 2 times I did it, then I stopped doing it because I was getting
Mm-hmm.
bored. I'm not accustomed to do. So I thought I will try. Later I will do, but I'm just procrastinating because I have a lot on my plate already. I'm doing everything for it.
Okay.
But instead of shadowing practice,
Hmm.
so it is side. I just put it aside, but I'm thinking maybe I will try, but I'm not thinking at all because I feel like okay, so it's a better. I'm trying to describe
Yes.
picture, my surroundings, everything. I'm doing it and talking with my friend every day on video call and taking sessions. So that's a better. Watching English movies, so I
Hmm.
think it's enough. We do not need.
Wow. You watch English movies also?
Yeah, it's
Very
been
good.
many years. I'm just watching clips, not a full movie because it takes a lot of time. So
Hmm.
25 and I think 30 minutes. It's a kind of their tutor. They're explaining everything and part of speech, connected speech. It's really working and yeah, it's a kind of great. And I don't get old. I don't get bored after watching it. So that's
Wow.
interesting for me.
Can you reveal some name of that movie? I
Okay,
also will
so
watch.
movie kind of, animated movie I watch from Netflix, but I'm not watching on Netflix. On YouTube, I watch because they are providing kind of Zootopia. It's animated and American, I think, and Moana and Cinderella and Frozen. These kind of movie. Many movies are
Wow.
here in Canto, kind of magical. So I love to watch these kind of series and kind of movie. And yeah, you can
That's
also
great.
watch kind of podcast. They have a two channel and they're providing podcast side by side and movie. It's not that much
Okay.
longer, 25 and 30-minute people they can watch, they can get interested. They can also watch podcasts. So I feel like I do not need to go anywhere. I have already. So I'm just following. Yeah. So have you heard
Okay.
one channel, Love Buster Show? It's
No.
American. And okay, she is also YouTuber and she is very popular on Insta and YouTube also. And she is also suggesting,
Mm-hmm.
and I have been following 1 year for 1 year. And it is very interesting show. It provides only 10 minutes, 15 minutes. If you start watching, you are not going to get bored. You will stay connected. Every day I watch, it's kind of serial drama show. It's very engaging and
Great.
captivating, I feel. Yeah. So do
Wow.
you have another
Thank you.
question? Because my battery it is
Question. I
yeah.
don't have any question now. Now we
Okay.
can
We can
end
wrap
it.
up. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's a nice conversation. I enjoyed a lot and I hope we are going to connect soon in our future.
Yes.
So bye bye. Have a great day.
Yeah.
Bye.
Same here, dear. Bye bye.
Yeah.